Hey y'all, come and join me as I make this delicious honey bun pound cake. And if y'all want to see me do it and get that recipe, don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. So let's go on ahead and get into it. We're going to start off with 2 sticks of butter and 3 cups of sugar. Altogether, you will need 3 sticks of butter. Well, we're going to start with 2 and just do your sugar in intervals until it all becomes nice and fluffy. We are getting to our fluff, y'all. We are getting very close to the fluff, but we are about to add in another stick of butter after we get done adding in all of this sugar. And there you go. Add that other stick of butter and go on ahead and continue to mix. And then we'll go on to the next step once we get it to the very fluffy, like marshmallow fluff. We want it to get really, really smooth and fluffy. Just going to scrape it down a little bit, and I want to show you guys how it should look. Just like this. So fluffy. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and scrape this bowl down. Y'all don't mind me hitting that camera. My bad. I'm so sorry. Anyway, we're going to go on to the next step is adding in your eggs. Now don't forget, y'all, it is an on-screen recipe. So this way you'll have all of the ingredients that you need. And you can go on ahead and make this delicious pound cake. Now we're going to go ahead and add these eggs in one at a time, but if more than one falls in, like 2, it's okay. Just continue on with your mixing. And once one of the eggs disappear, add in another one. Well, 2 slipped in, but guess what? That's okay. This cake's still gonna turn out delicious. We're almost done with the eggs because those was the last 2. And it's looking real good and smooth to me. Add in your vanilla extract, and we're gonna mix that up as well. Time to start adding in that dry ingredients. So make sure you do this in intervals. Absolutely intervals. You do not want a tough, dry, dense pound cake. This is going to be so fluffy. It's going to actually melt in your mouth. This cake, y'all. I'm not going to keep on saying it. This cake. Okay. All right. Now just keep on mixing it up and adding in your flour in intervals. Now you add in your sour cream. So when you put your first thing of flour in and get that mixed up, then you take some of your sour cream and you add that in, and then flour, sour cream, and then you'll end with flour. So you'll begin with flour and you will end with flour. Look how beautiful that batter is, y'all. Absolutely beautiful. Now make for sure that you have your pan or whatever you're going to use, bundt pan, whatever it is, buttered and ready, or sprayed and ready to go. And your oven should be preheated to 325. Hey y'all, I just have a quick little question. Have you ever had a Honeybun pound cake? And if you have, comment down below and let me know if you have. And if you can, go back and give me a thumbs up if this video helps you in any way. Alright, so we're going to get this cinnamon and brown sugar together, because this right here is going in the middle of the cake. I'm so excited. Can't y'all tell? Comment down below if you're going to even try to make this cake. It's a winner, y'all. Look at this beautiful batter. I want to taste it so bad, but I am scared because there's raw eggs in here. So here's my pan. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting in this cake batter. It's just going in so pretty. Look at that. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and finish putting that in, and then we're gonna start with putting in the cinnamon and brown sugar. Let's get that leveled out a little bit. Go on and add that brown sugar and cinnamon. Smooth it out so it can get all over, and then we're going to put the rest of the cake batter on top of this. Now that we are finished putting the batter on top of the cinnamon and brown sugar, we're just going to put it all over the cinnamon and brown sugar. We want to hide that all the way. We do not want any of that exposed. Now we're just going to shake it a little bit, and we're going to drop it just one time on the counter. One time. Now we're going to get us a skewer or some kind of stick, and we're just going to do swirls in this pound cake, y'all. Just do you some swirls, and then we're going to drop it in the oven. Make sure the oven is preheating. Don't forget. And here it is, y'all. Done and absolutely beautiful. Now it's going to cook for about an hour and a half, or until a toothpick comes out clean. And look at that. Now y'all, I wish I could have showed y'all the pound cake when it came out. Okay, I had frosted it and everything, but I ran to the store and came back, and y'all, they had this cake almost gone, so I had to get me a piece quick for my video. Delicious. See y'all on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.